Hi friends, in this video you will be watching how to get into the self-learning courses of CMTA Online. CMTA Online has recently launched self-learning courses and materials for the offline students also, those who are in offline. They can rewind and recap with the classes or can get some additional access to various programs. So we have created this platform, this wonderful learning management system. Here, self-learning courses are available, pre-recorded videos, drawings, and Excel sheets, PDFs, and a lot many things are available in this platform. In this video, you will get into an idea how to purchase a course, if you have already purchased a course, how to access the course, and what are the courses presently available, and all it will be available in this platform. The website address is elearn.cmt.co.in. Just copy, putting in another page so that you will check the functionality also. Yeah, this is the page where you can land in this page here. What are the courses available? Quantity surveying, rate analysis, construction finishes, and then the cracking interviews. There are few free courses also available and paid courses with very good discounts available. Interior design and site management, procurement engineer, quantity surveying, and then the site engineer course. Lot many courses are available. You can view all the courses and construction finishes, procurement, all are key functional areas. Here, the major course is advanced construction management. Here, a lot of content is available, and still a lot of content we are loading also in this platform. Learning management system, green buildings, digital construction. These are free courses, and for a few days we kept it free. And infrastructure site management, all these courses are available presently. It can be done as a internship also, and as well knowledge gain program. Yeah, this is the page. If you want to sign up into the page, if you are visiting first time, then go to login. Here again, if you already have the credentials, you can fill your credentials here. Otherwise, first time you are going, then you can go for sign up. And here you mention your mail ID, and you can mention your password. My case, I am putting password. Default is password only. So when you are already added by CMT in any of the courses, the default password is password only, and you can change later also and get into sign in. Then it is asking some images of the bridges. Yes, where and all bridges there. We'll see here one bridge is there, here one bridge is there, here one bridge is there. Only three pictures are having their pictures. Verify. I'm just telling no thanks. Yeah, this is the mail ID given, and the password is password only I have given. And it is asking, the system is asking whether to verify whether this email ID belongs to you. So I need to put a verification code, and for getting the verification code, you have to press send verification code. And this code, 6-digit codes, will come to your mail ID. Let us see, it just came in our mail ID. In primary it is not there, in social also it is not there. Sometimes it lands in spam. In most of the cases, the first time mail of any agencies comes to spam only. Yeah, of course, I received mail. You can put it as a not spam. One is a welcome mail from CMTA, and other one is a verification mail. Here 939 444, this is the number, verification number. This mail has landed here. Here you can see 939 444. 939 444. Shall we put the same number here? Sorry. Yeah, here 939 444. Yes, it's verified. You can see there are 12 courses available in the basket. You can view all the courses. Whichever you wanted, you can subscribe. The free courses, you no need to pay. What are the free courses? Let me check. Yeah, I will first buy this course because since it is free, I will check the quality of the course and content of the course also. Enroll for free. Yeah, this link expires in April 9. Maybe 7 days. Only within 7 days, I need to do this course. For free courses, there will not be any certificates. For the paid courses, yes, of course, it's a detailed one. It carries the certificate also. Yeah, and I want to buy this rate analysis course. Here you can find the syllabus, whether it is a video format or PDF or drawing. Here we can see the video formats as well as the PDF format. Yeah, I will buy this course. Here you select the state as Karnataka, where the location where you are, and you put pay securely. And here your name as per the certificate. In this case, I wanted CMTI and a number. Provide your number and using Paytm, Google Pay, Razorpay, or any instruments you can. Paytm, Phone Pay. Sorry, not Razorpay. I'm trying with the Paytm. Sorry, Phone Pay. Let us see. Yeah, I will. Once the payment done, then it goes to next page. Yeah, payment is success. You have been subscribed to this course, and you can go for my enrollment. You can see one free courses I have taken, one paid course also taken. Paid course validity we can see. Yeah, go here. Yeah, you can find the syllabus. Yeah, about the course you can find out here. Yeah, here about this course and the description about this course. Different. This is about interview and one more. Yeah, here a video format available and discussion about the rate analysis, who has taken, and everything is available here. You can watch and you can add your review also after the course. And once the course you have completed, then you can write an email to CMTA office at cmta.co.in so that you will get a certificate for that. Just and if you want to invite your friends for this course, you can send this referral code so that you will get rewards added to your wallet. Copy the referral. How to invite and earn? Copy your referral code, invite your friends by sharing referral link. If your friends sign up, both of you will getting the rewards. Yeah, this is the step for that. Yeah, of course, here you can fill up your account details. Here in this case, I will edit and I will insert the account name as CMTI. Yeah, and each and every course has a validity time. So before the validity, you complete the course and get the support. Here, two courses are there. Syllabus, and you can complete the given time. You can go to the store if you completed the course. Again, you can see other courses available. Construction finishes, it has 10 lessons. Here the validity also is provided. How many days, within how many days you can complete this course that they have mentioned. And here the PDF statement and video both are available in these courses. It will be mainly used for the architects and the civil engineers and all. So like this available, you can sign out. This is the procedure to get into the e-learning platform. Thanks for watching, and you can share it with your friends also. If they are interested, they can enroll. Thank you.